In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot on Windows 10 using shortcut keys. Capturing screenshots is a handy skill, whether you're saving information, sharing content, or troubleshooting a problem. So let's dive in and make it simple. First, let's talk about capturing the entire screen. You can do this effortlessly by pressing the Windows key and print screen on your keyboard simultaneously. This action will snap a shot of your entire screen. You'll notice a brief dimming of the screen, which indicates that the screenshot has been successfully taken. Once captured, the screenshot is automatically saved as a PNG file, and it's conveniently stored in the Pictures folder under a subfolder named Screenshots. This method is quick and effective for saving everything displayed on your screen at that moment. But what if you want to capture a specific part of your screen? Well, for a more customized approach, we can use the snipping tool without even opening the app. Thanks to Windows 10's built-in shortcuts, you can capture selected areas swiftly. To do this, press the Windows key, Shift and S all together. This command will make your screen darken slightly and you'll see a crosshair cursor appear. With the crosshair, click and drag your mouse to form a box around the area you'd like to capture. This gives you control over exactly what portion of the screen you want to screenshot. Once you release the mouse button, the selected area is captured and immediately copied to your clipboard. Then you can paste it directly into an application like Microsoft Paint, Word, or any image editing software you prefer. Just press Ctrl and V to paste it wherever you need it. These methods are great for different contexts. For example, use the full screen capture when you need a complete view of everything visible on your screen, perhaps for documentation. Meanwhile, the customizable screenshot is perfect for more focused content, such as highlighting a particular detail in an application or a specific section of a web page. And that's it. With these simple shortcuts, you can become efficient in taking screenshots, whether it's for professional use or personal reasons. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and try using these shortcut keys to find out which method best suits your needs. Hopefully this breakdown helps you confidently navigate Windows 10's screenshotting capabilities. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more insightful tips and tricks.